My name is Anthony Allen. I am the founder of Shopball. You can find the link address to Shopball in the description down below. And in this video, I'm about to tell you and talk to you about why I made the decision not to launch Shopball as an application after having conversations with the Apple development team. So as I've just mentioned in the introduction to this video, my name is Anthony Allen and I am the founder of Shopball. I created Shopball from start into what it is today. So of course, being the founder and creator of Shopball, there was a lot of decisions to make. And with the initial first attempt creation at Shopball, I actually attempted to create an application built for iPhone and the iOS marketplace. Now, as some developers that may be watching this video may already understand, to create an application for the Apple App Store for iOS, iPhone as well as iPads, it does require some coding. So I taught myself how to code an application and managed to finish Shopball to a degree. I created an entire app for the App Store that you could download to iPhone and other iOS devices. Once you've done this process and you've coded your application and you've made sure every function on screen and everything within your UI is within the parameters of whatever device you were choosing to showcase that application. So in simpler terms, when you've made sure that your application looks good for all Apple devices that you intend to launch to, the next stage from there is to go through the Apple development program and get in touch with Apple and let them know that your application is ready. You then create things such as screenshots to show how the app works and so forth. One thing I did not like about this process of going through the development program is it's very convoluted. The map and the road to launching an application through the Apple development program is and can be very confusing for an individual. So once I figured how to do this and I got my certificate as a developer and moved forward into the review team process and reviewing the application after I've gone through the next process of uploading all your images of your application, making sure that your copyright is ready and everything is ready for the app to be launched. It is at this point that I decided to take my Shopball elsewhere. I spoke to a lot of Apple representatives and a lot of good people within Apple about the application, and then come to the conclusion of this process of creating an app for Shopball might not be right and might not be the correct path for Shopball. Not only was I cutting off most of my users and most of the people that I could help with Shopball and minimizing it to only iPhone users and only people who have iOS devices like an iPad, I was also having to cut off the potential of Shopball in terms of other different types of categories we can incorporate and different colors to the application and so forth. It would take a lot more coding in the other language of Swift in order to launch my app. And it is at this point where I decided not to incorporate Shopball as an app for the App Store, as we were basically damaging the integrity of what Shopball is. I wasn't able to offer what I can now with Shopball being a website and also being able to reach more people. I didn't want to sort of pigeonhole Shopball to just iPhone users. There are many different types of users to Shopball, and therefore I wanted to make sure that I could reach you guys and you guys were able to use Shopball. So there's a quick explanation of why I decided not to launch Shopball as an application for the App Store.